So these are the problems that you have solved for our quiz 1 for our duration of midterm. And problem solving, show the complete solution to justify your answer to the space provided. On item 1, on his way to school, Jed traveled 100 meters north, 300 meters east, and 100 meters north again, and another 100 meters east, and finally 100 meters north. Number one question is, or letter A, for item letter A, find the total distance traveled by Jed. So the diagram has been given. This is 100 meters north, 300 meters east, 100 meters north, 100 meters east, and finally 100 meters north. So kung mapapansin ninyo, from the question na find the total distance traveled by Jed is you're going to compute the total travel distance made by Jed in either direction, pwedeng by north, by east, northeast, and so on. So you should itemize all of those. So 100, 300, 100, 100, and finally 100. So that is 100 plus 300 is 400, plus 100 is 500, plus 100 is 600, plus 100 is 700 meters. And item B, determine the displacement made by Jed. So the displacement is no matter how many directions or how many uh, travel distances made by Jed, ang titingnan mo na lang dito sa diagram is from point A, so from the house of Jed up to point B to the school. So that is, meron tayong mga coordinates, so that is north, east, north, east, and north. So we have 100 meters north, 100 meters north, and finally 100 meters north. So 100 plus 100 equals 200, plus 100 equals 300 meters. We have also 300 meters east and another 100 meters east. So 300 plus 100 is equal to 400. So from Pythagorean formula that d squared is equal to x squared plus y squared, from this diagram, x is equal to 400 and y is equal to 300. So d squared is equal to this quantity 400 squared plus the quantity 300 squared. D squared is equal to 400 squared is equal to 160,000, and 300 squared is equal to 9,000. So 160,000 plus 90,000 is equal to 250,000. So D is equal to the square root of 250,000. So from your calculator, you're going to input the square root of 250,000 is equal to 500 meters. Okay. I hope that you have understand it clearly. We now go to item number 2. Eden leaves the office, drives 26 kilometers due north, then turns throughout the street and continue in a direction of 30 degrees northeast for 35 kilometers, and finally turns onto the highway due east for 40 kilometers. What is her total displacement from the office? We don't have a diagram, so we have to analyze the situation. And with this diagram, that from point A to point B, Eden traveled 26 kilometers due north, so that is vertical. Next is 35 kilometers 30 degrees northeast. So this is the direction of And then we have a given magnitude of 35 kilometers and a degree of 30 degrees northeast. Then 40 kilometers due east from point C to point D. And the question is, what is her total displacement from the office? Okay. So from this diagram, we notice that we have three vector quantities. Okay. 26 kilometers due north. So that is, by assumption, we have to assume that x for horizontal distances and y for vertical distances. And for the first magnitude, that is 26 kilometers north, so that is vertical, so automatically x is equal to 0 and north or y is equal to positive 26 kilometers. Okay, next value is, we have a vector quantity again, that is 35 kilometers 30 degrees northeast. So from this, we have a vector quantity. Okay, so let's say that this is a vector quantity having an angle of 30 degrees northeast. Okay, so we have two values of a vertical quantity with colored blue and a horizontal component. Okay, so the horizontal component is the vector of x is equal to the value of x times the cosine of 30 degrees. Okay, and the value for the vertical component is equal to the y times sine of 30 degrees. Okay, so from that formula, based from that formula, we have the following values. The magnitude of 30 times cosine of 30 degrees. So let's calculate. 35 times cosine of 30 degrees is equal to 30.31 kilometers. And on the other hand, the vertical component is 35 times sine of 30 degrees is equal to 17.5 kilometers. These are both positive since we have the vertical component which is positive, and going to the right is also a positive component. Whereas if the component will go to the left or goes down, then naturally it will give us a negative value. Okay, so moving on, the third vector is 40 kilometers east. So automatically that is a positive value for x and 0 for y. Then we now get the total values for each component. So 0 plus 30.31 plus 40 will give us a positive 70.31 kilometers. For the y component, 26 plus 17.5 plus 0 will give us 43.5 kilometers. Okay. Then for Pythagorean formula, from this component, we have the value for x of 70.31. That is 70.31. And a y component of 43.5. The displacement is this one, d. For the value of d, from Pythagorean formula, d squared is equal to the x value of 70.31, the quantity squared, plus 43.5, the quantity squared, will give us 6,835.7461. And we have to get the square root to find the value for d, and it will give you 82.68 kilometers.